Okay. Your eyebrows really big. Thank you. Wow. Do a little flirty. Oh, come here. Do a little flirt. Flirt your eyes. Go. You're going to give yourself a headache. You silly man.
Silly eyes.
Now you're blinking your eyes. Stop. Does that hurt your face? Huh? Does it hurt your face? Answer me.
No.
What are you doing?
It doesn't hurt me.
It doesn't. What was that? Hey.
But
Nice.
let me see.